So when we're doing a question like this, it makes so much sense to actually write out our data units first. So let's just do bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte. Do we need to go any higher? No. So this first question, it says, what's bigger, 20 megabytes or 10 gigabytes? Well, we know that 20 megabytes, well, we know to get to megabytes, to gigabytes, we would divide by 1,000. So, if we have 10 gigabytes, that would literally be as megabytes. If we're going downwards, we would multiply by 1,000. So we've got a choice. We can multiply or divide to work out which one's bigger. So we're going to go downwards. So 10 gigabytes, if we turned it into megabytes, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to turn it into megabytes. So I'm going to take the 10 gigabytes and we're going to times it by 1,000. So we're just going to shove these zeros at the end. 1, 2, 3. And that will be megabytes now. And let's compare it to 20 megabytes. Which one's bigger? 10 gigabytes. So I simply turn 10 gigabytes into megabytes by multiplying it by 1,000. And I've compared the two, which one's bigger. This one, we've got 3,500 kilobytes. So we've got kilobytes, and we've got 3 megabytes. So we've got megabytes here, we've got kilobytes here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn megabytes into kilobytes. So, if we've got 3,500 kilobytes, and we've got 3 megabytes, but we're going to turn it into kilobytes now, so to turn it into kilobytes, we times it by 1,000. You can see that actually 3,500 kilobytes is more than 3 megabytes.